Hello friends. Today I will talk about an indicator I have made. This indicator uses other indicators. Okay, this is basically not an indicator, it is a score. So it gives you a score of all the other indicators. So what happens is one indicator, suppose it gives the buy signal, then the other indicator will give you a sell signal at the same time. Okay, so this indicators what it does, it takes the average of the indication, in the sense that whenever I get a buy signal, I do a +1 in the score, and if I get a sell signal, I do a -1. So like that it gives the overall one average value of all the indicators. So I have included like famous indicators like RSI, the Ichimoku, and the super trend and other indicators. Lot of indicators have been included, and this is what it gives you. I'm still working on it, it is not yet complete. I need to add some more indicator, but right now I have added close to 6 to 7 indicators. Okay, and this is what it gives. So here is the strategy. The strategy is very simple. Let me just enlarge it. Okay, now it is clear. Strategy is very simple. This line, as you see, it is a zero line. Okay, whenever the this signal goes up, for example here, uh, if it is go below above zero, you buy. It is a buy signal. This is a buy signal of this indicator, but there are other buy signal of other indicator. There are multiple other indicators, they have also given the buy signal, that's why it is positive. Okay, but what may would have happened, some other signal may would have given the sell signal. Okay, but overall it is a positive buy signal. Okay, so and this you give you buy signal, and you can see this. I have taken the some moving average indicator. This is the whole moving average of 89, 150, 200, 365, and they are also green, means it's in the trend is uptrend. Okay, and then you had uptrend. So here also, as per this indicator, trend is uptrend, but here this indicator says it's in the downtrend, right? So we don't know what is the this is in the this is called the sideways market. We don't know about what is going to happen, but you can see there is a breakout happening here, which is well captured by this indicator. It goes above zero. Okay, actually you can buy even if this starts buying, this starts rising, right? This gives an indication that you can buy actually. But you don't know how. For example, this and this are same, but here if you buy, it is again coming down. So there is not much of uh, so that's why I will take the ADX here. The here ADX is very small here, although this is rising, but the price is not rising, right? So you need to avoid this reason. So if you take this the approach, very simple. Buy if it is positive, the trend is uptrend, and if it is negative below zero, the trend is downtrend. So here you don't buy here, it is very early to say. So somewhere here around whenever it crosses this, you can definitely buy. Around this level, if it crosses, you can buy. This is I call it like uh, confirmed, the trend is confirmed at this point. But if it is zero, you buy, and if it is above zero, you buy. If it is below zero, you sell. That is the thing. So see, it is well captured by this one, and this is a not one indicator, this is the average of multiple indicators have given the indication. So once you take this suppose you are taking the trade here, it's in this zone, and also given by this confirm, so then you are in good zone. It is rising, falling, rising, but it remains rising, right? Even if it is falling, but then it is coming back, falling back, coming back. So here it was going to be, it did not, this is called, although it is going too much down here, but see the price is not, price is still in the range. So that is one problem, biggest problem. What is a lot of indicator, right? Even they look only positive. So even if there is a small change delta, so the change is positive, right? So it need to also look at the percentage change actually. So if you see the percentage change is more than say around 3%, then it is not a sideways. So right now it is a hugely content. So even though it's within the Bollinger Band, within the uh, channel, all other bands will be in this range. So But you see this is going relatively up. So what it means is there are a lot of other indicators giving you a signal that it is a downtrend is impending. It must be coming, some downtrend is coming, but it did not come, right? Future didn't, nobody can predict the future, but it happens after. If you see here, it happened, right? So if you need to take a divergence, okay, what you can take, you can trade the divergence also here. This is a one high, higher high, this is higher high, and you can see there is a divergence here, right? So if there is a divergence, lower low, higher high, and then lower low divergence, then it goes down. So you can trade the divergence of this one, it will be very useful. So if it is zero, you are keeping trend. If it is below zero, exit from here. So you have this money is yours. From here to here is roughly around price range. I think where is price range, right? So if you have this from roughly you have taken, let's say from here you have taken here till around around 59%. It is up actually 235, around 60% up profit you have. Okay. So that's what it is. This indicator, I'm still improving this indicator. Let me know if you need this indicator, I can give this indicator. And this allows you to trade the divergence also. I don't see there is, I don't know how to draw the divergence. The here divergence is positive. So here if I see here, I saw a negative divergence. Whenever there is a negative divergence, then see it goes down. Okay, let's look at some other downtrend, if it is capturing the downtrend properly. Okay, so so this indicator gives that see now it's in the long-term downtrend, and there is a short-term this thing has come up here. So let's start from here. So you start a selling from here and see it is getting captured here. Oh, there is a mistake because of this jump. There is a mistake somewhere here. It has risen because of this three candle. It has rose a lot actually. It goes into our pot zone, and then it started coming down. It is captured, but I'll see this doesn't look very correct because it is still in the below this downtrend, and there is a small spike. This is momentarily a spike of three consecutive candle, right? Yeah, three consecutive candle. The spike is too big to jump this is very sensitive to price, right? You see this one, this candle, and then you have a doji kind of candle here. Okay, here, yeah. Then why it is going down? Which indicator? These are, we have these three red candle, and then it is going down. Okay, this looks something wrong with this indicator. It should not go down this much. It's going up. It's saying to buy, but although the candle is red, so looks like there is some problem, or maybe we'll switch back to some other indicator. Let's say candlestick. Mm, no, it went into some other place. Okay, I will look at that one. But overall, the high level strategy is you create one score of taking all the indicators. All means there are close to 10 to 15, maybe hardly 20 indicators. Take the goodness of all the indicators and create a score out of it. And if his score is positive, buy. If score is negative, sell, right? And then then on that you create the divergence strategy, and based on that, don't create a strategy on the indicator, create a indicators of indicators, and then create the strategy on that is I think is the right way of trading it. So you can have yeah, you can create a moving average. I can create a moving average of this one, or I can create a double. I can take this and take one more, and then take the convergence divergence strategy based on this, not on this one, right? This is on this signal. Or I can further smoothen this is still not very smooth. Take one more moving average of this, and then create the strategy. So, and then you of course you have to apply the other like price action and support and resistance, right? Those things are not captured here. So if you to combine this indicator plus support action and resistance, it will be very good. I hope it gives very good information, and yeah, I will refine this one and publish the another one. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.